Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I designed this flyer. So I think we can start. So the first thing that you have to do as a designer is to create a working space for your work. And how I do mine is I'll go to File, New. But before creating a working space, this from the look of this design is a square working space. So before you create any design, you have to know your target audience or the platform where your design will be shared. And for this, the design is used Instagram and also WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp statuses and your profile pictures and all those stuff. So the next thing that you have to do is to go to File, New, and I'll always choose the size of my design from an A4 size background. So I'll choose A4, then choose the crop tool, then select 1:1 square. So yes, we've created our working background or our working space. And the next thing is to choose our colors. And the way that I chose the colors for this flyer, I chose them from the design beneath here, the abstract design here. I chose them from this design. So I have to import this seamless pattern of this abstract background. So the first thing, I have to flatten the background that I created. I'll go to File, Place Embedded, and select my design from here. Yes. So after your design has been imported, you have to resize it to suit the size of your background. So I have to draw it here. Yes. And I have to take some part of the design off. And before I can take that one too off, I have to rasterize the layer. Okay, I've rasterized it and cut some part off. Okay, so I've taken some part off. After that, I have to deselect, then put my cursor on the background layer because I have to create a solid color beneath the layer that we've imported. So I'll go to the adjustment tab and choose solid color. Then I'll use the eyedropper tool to select this space here, this green. Yeah, yes. So our design is taking shape right now. So when it comes to the aspect of the picture, you can import any picture that you want and select any blending option for the picture. Now, like I want to show you how I designed this one and the theme. So the font that I use for the theme, I'm talking about this theme, is called Mason, M-A-S-O-N, the Mason font, and the 2023 here is Nexa, N-E-X-A. I use the same font for this one and the date here. I think we can start from now. So with the selection rotation, I'll use the Mason font here, Mason. I've created spaces between them, so I have to reset my character, reset, and choose the Mason again. Yeah, the Mason font, Mason. Yes. So now we are all set to go. I have to change the color for it to be a bit visible for us all to see. So Celestia. So let me use caps for the L. Okay. Yes. So after doing your typos, you can close the spaces, the line spaces between the fonts a bit. Yes, I think I've done it here. Okay, this one is okay. Celestia, exaltation, and for this one I tried using caps for the E. let's try the caps. Exaltations. I think there is an S added to it. So when I tried using the caps, the E, I didn't like the outcome, so I decided to change it to lowercase exaltation for it to be equal. I think I can reduce the size a bit. Okay, alright. So we are done with the selection exaltations. I think I have to draw it downwards a bit. Yes. And for the 2023, as I said earlier, I used the Nexa font. 2023. Let's use the medicine, then change it to the Nexa font. Nexa font here. So to add a bit of a touch to it, I have to use the rectangular shape tool to fill the spaces here and here. Exaltations. Okay. So I think we are done. Change the color to white. And with the shape to, let me reduce the height a bit to somewhere around 5. Okay, so you use the marker tool to select the middle of the rectangular shape that you've created. Then you use the layer mask to take that part off. Click on the layer mask below, then Control I to invert it. Yes, so we've added a bit of design to our font. So after doing all this, you have to select all your theme, all the designs for your theme here, then you group it. So after I group everything, I try to create a duplicate of it, yeah, and delete one of it or hide it, yeah, in case I need it. The time to come, I'll merge it here, then increase the size a bit. So now we are done with our theme. Like I will not be doing everything here in this design. I will just be doing some part of it. Yeah, I just want the design to be short. Oh, sorry, I want the video to be short. So the font that I use for the group name is called Relay. The font that I use for the Celestial City Choir. But I think you can use the Nexa font too for it. So Celestial City Choir. Celestial City Choir here. So I want to try the Nexa font. I'm talking about this font style. It's called Relay. But I think the Nexa 2 is cool. Presents. So we have to reduce the size to somewhere around 12 and 15. 12 should be within range. Then increase the spaces here from the character tab, the line spacing, the font spacing. And the Kumasi too, the Kumasi here, talking about this one, you can use the same Nexa font for it. I use the same Nexa font for the Anticipate and this December. Yes. So let me write the Anticipate here. You can see Anticipate. Okay. Reduce the size a bit. Then increase the line spacing here. Anticipate. Yes. Now back to our color works. So with the Anticipate, I'll go for the lemon green color from here, as I said earlier, I chose all my colors from the design beneath. Okay, so I'll use this one for the anticipate. Then the celestial exaltations, I'll use the gradient tool for it. I'll double click it and go to the layer style and gradient. So from the gradient, you can see that I used the white color and the lemon color from here. So you can maintain this white color, or you can change that one to the lemon color as I did here. Yes. So now what is left for you to do is to insert your pictures, your background pictures, and I think we will tackle that one to another time. And I think from here going, all that is left is for you to add your small touches to it and make the design your own. So that's all. That's how I made this flyer. Yes, so simple. Thank you. We'll meet another time.